One for my TikTok fans. I don't know that I have any. Let me see.
Jesus. Shit. You ready?
I don't think so. I don't think so. Cigarette. Don't you wow me.